St. Mary High is represented by Trisha Fagan, Leonie Harris, Chevoneve Harris, and Ryan Ewan. Meadowbrook High is represented by Sashen Gordon, Dominic Thomas, Janae Williams, and Atari Dobney. Now only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to match 17 in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host Archibald Gordon. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss. St. Mary High won and decided to go first, so we begin with St. Mary High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock and begin in the category of history to St. Mary High. Which American president was involved in the Watergate scandal?
Richard Nixon. Richard Nixon.
That's correct. Meadowbrook High history. Which American president was involved in the Iran-Contra affair?
Rwanda.
Harry
Bill Clinton.
Bill Clinton.
That's incorrect. It's Ronald Reagan. St. Mary High International Affairs, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Romania.
Incorrect. That's Lithuania. Meadowbrook High International Affairs, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Poland.
That's correct. St. Mary High Literature. Which American author wrote the novel Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret.
Maya Angelou.
Incorrect. It's Judy Blume. Meadowbrook High Literature. Homecoming is a young adult novel by which American author?
Homecoming.
Okay. Celeste Ng.
Incorrect. It's Cynthia Voigt. Music, St. Mary High, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Bob Marley.
That's incorrect. That is Stephen Marley, and that's... I'm sorry, that is correct. That's Bob Marley. Meadowbrook High music, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Brother, there's far too many of you die.
Wayne Wonder.
Incorrect. That's Marvin Gaye singing What's Going On. Biology, St. Mary High. What is the name of the process in which some organisms utilize energy derived from chemical reactions in their bodies to manufacture food from simple substances?
Respiration.
That is incorrect. It's chemosynthesis. Meadowbrook High Biology. What is a collective term for the arrangement of petals that surround the stamen and carpel of a flower?
Arrangement of petals.
Corolla.
Sepals.
Incorrect. It's called the corolla. Theatre and cinema, St. Mary High. A visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Kate Winslet.
That's incorrect. That's Alma Posti. Theatre and cinema, Meadowbrook High. Also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Jennifer Lawrence.
That's correct. St. Mary High, Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Better belly boss than?
Food waste.
That is correct. Meadowbrook High, Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Big blanket make man?
Sleep long also?
Sleep long.
Yet. Sleep long.
That is also correct. Or sleep late. St. Mary High, sport, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Merlin Otti.
That's correct. Meadowbrook High, sports, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Karma, easy.
Leslie, man.
Leslie Man.
Incorrect. That's Linford Christie. Geography, St. Mary High. The Morant Keys are a group of offshore islands in which Jamaican parish?
St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
That is, judges? That is incorrect. It's in Kingston. Meadowbrook High, Geography. Little Goat Island is located in which Jamaican parish?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine.
That's correct.
Big.
And that is the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are St. Mary High on 4 and Meadowbrook High also on 4. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.